How to connect YouTube Music to Discord stats. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to show what you're listening to on YouTube Music directly on your Discord stats, just like Spotify. It's super easy, takes less than 2 minutes, and works perfectly on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Install PreMiD browser extension. First, open your browser and go to PreMiD app. Click on Download, then choose your browser, for example, Chrome or Firefox. You'll be directed to the web store. Just click Add to Chrome or Add to Firefox and confirm. Step 2. Install the PreMiD desktop app. Still on PreMiD, scroll down and download the PreMiD desktop app for your system. Install like any regular app and make sure it's running in the background. This app connects your browser to Discord, allowing the rich presence to appear. Step 3. Add YouTube Music presence. Go back to the PreMiD app and at the top, click on Store, then Presences. Search for YouTube Music and click Install. That's it. Now PreMiD knows how to track YouTube Music. Step 4. Test it. Open Music YouTube in your browser. Play a song and check your Discord profile. Your stats should now show the track you're listening to just like magic. Important notes. This works only on desktop, not on mobile. Keep the browser tab in PreMiD app open while using. You can install other presents too, like Netflix, Twitch, or Deezer. And that's it. This was the quick tutorial on how to connect YouTube Music to your Discord stats using PreMiD. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.